Okay, so I'm playing it's Poker Joe. And I'm playing Animal Jam. Clearly nobody's talking, I don't think. They're all silent. She made a video with the quote. They don't believe me most of the time when I say it. And I say it before. So, yeah. They're talking about me being horse crazy. So, yeah. I got bored. I made this. Bye.